Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unmute call notifications for a specific WhatsApp group. Whether you muted the group intentionally or by accident, this step-by-step process will help you get back on track with receiving notifications. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Look for the familiar green icon with the white phone inside. It's usually right on your home screen or app drawer. Tap it to launch WhatsApp. Once inside the app, locate the group whose notifications you want to unmute. Scroll through your chat list until you find it. When you've identified the group, tap on it to open the chat. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll see the group name displayed prominently. Tap on the group name to access its settings. This will take you to the Group Info page, where you can manage various options for this specific group. Next, look for the Notifications option in this menu and tap it. Here you'll see a toggle labeled Mute Notifications. If it's currently switched on, that means notifications for this group are muted. To unmute notifications, simply turn off the Mute Notifications toggle. Once you do this, notifications for calls and messages from this group will be restored instantly. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted call notifications for your WhatsApp group. Now, you'll stay updated with all incoming calls and alerts from this group without missing a beat. If this tutorial helped you out, remember to share it with others who might need assistance managing their WhatsApp notifications. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.